Hi everybody! In this video I will show you how to draw this simple roof detail in an elevation view in AutoCAD. This is a tutorial for beginners and I will explain each step clearly. So let's start. I'm going to start drawing this line, which measures 0.57 meters, and have in mind that meters is the units I'm using in this exercise. First, I will select this line, click on this grip, and I will extend the line with the new length that I need. For that, I have to press Tab 3 times, and with this, the value I enter with the keyboard is the total distance. I type 0.57. Then I go to the other side and do the same with this line. I click here, move the pointer towards the end of the last line, drag to the right slowly to find here this intersection. By clicking now, I increase this line to 0.57 meters. Now I will make this little detail here. It consists in lines and in one arc, and here you can see the dimensions. Returning to our plan, I start drawing a line from this endpoint until the left. Its length will be 0.4. The next one will be a vertical one, and when I see the polar tracking, I type 0.15. Then press Escape, and I realized I forgot to draw this line. So let's do it now. Again, I type L, press Enter, and draw a line until the construction line located in this side. Back to that detail. I have to draw an arc there, and I choose the option Start, Center, End. It's important to know that the arcs are drawn anti-clockwise. So for the first point, I click in this endpoint, because there is a small line overlapped of 0.1 meters. Click for the first point, then the center. I need to hover this endpoint, scroll down until I find this intersection here, and then the endpoint is this one. The next step, I have to copy the objects I created symmetrically to the other part. For this, I'm going to use the command mirror. First, I'm going to draw a line between these corners, and I can place the mirror line in its midpoint. To use mirror command, I type MI, select these three objects, press Enter. Now, with the midpoint of this line, I draw a vertical mirror line, and you can see these new objects being placed there. Click, and then to keep the original objects, I click in No here. To draw this front arc, I'm going to use this dimension here of 1.1. I go back to the exercise, and from the midpoint, draw a line with that measurement, press Escape, and then I need to draw an arc again, but this time with the option 3-point arc. With this, I can draw an arc using 3 points. So just select the ones that you need. For the second arc, I'm going to extend this line in the distance of 0.15. But this time I will specify a new total length of the line. So I need to press Tab 3 times, and the total length is highlighted. And finally I can insert 1.25. To finish this exercise, I can use arc again with the option 3-point, but this time I need to hover this endpoint and click in this intersection for the first point. Then this will be the second point, and finally the third point. So, the detail is finally done, and I can delete these 2 lines because I don't need them anymore. Now, if you'd like to practice this workflow in more complete examples, I have a complete course in AutoCAD as well as another one in Revit in the platform Udemy. If you join it, you'll get free access forever. There are no destruction ads, you can find DWG and PDF files in some lectures, and I also included full exercises at the end of the course to practice your skills. So, if you are interested, please find the links in the description of this video. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next time.